Good morning, respected teachers and my colleagues. I am Ansh from Science Stream 11C class, and today I am going to present an interview before you all, which I'll be taking of a Mumbai-based CEO MD of an automobile company, Ace Cars Expert. He is known as Mr. Sylvester Rodrigues. Starting at a very tender age of 16 years at Birdies by Taj, and then working as a sales executive at Ichiban Honda, and now work and now owner of an automobile company, Ace Cars Expert, in Kandivali, Mumbai, this self-made man, Mr. Sylvester Rodrigues, has come a long way. So I hereby introduce Mr. Sylvester Rodrigues, the CEO MD of Ace Cars Experts, and have a discussion with him about the struggle he faced during his career span and present situation now. So hello, Mr. Sylvester Rodrigues. Welcome.
Hello, Mr. Ansh. How are you?
I'm fine. So first of all, tell us something about your journey so far.
Yeah, the switch from working as a sales executive in Ichiban Honda to becoming an owner of my own company, Ace Cars Expert, was not that easy. There were a lot of ups and downs and recessions and booms. But yes, in the end, it was worth.
What was the driving force which made you shift your focus from being a sales executive to being a self employed or owner of an automobile company?
Yes, from a very small age, I had a passion for cars. I wanted to do something big in cars. I actually dreamt of doing. So I made something about my independently. So I created my own automobile marketing company.
Who do you consider as a role model?
Every budding entrepreneur in India is actually a big fan of Ratan Tata, and I'm no different out of it. And I like his quotes, and I like the best quote which he says that I don't take a right or a wrong decision, but I just take a decision and make it right.
Which cars are you dealing with?
At present, we deal with all cars, but the major which are is a hatchback, sedans, SUVs, and the luxury range also. We deal in mid brands like Maruti, Suzuki, Honda, Toyota, and also the very high ranges like Benz, BM, Audis, and many more.
What are the challenges to run an automobile business considering there are so many competitors in the same field?
Absolutely, there is a tremendous cutthroat competition in the market and in every field. The key to maintaining your best customer services and best customer relationship is your important thing. Excellent after service is more important, and also mostly to motivate your people to keep them every time motivated is the main thing. And the services which you need to keep on providing that will is a very USP.
Many businesses are going through a tough phase since lockdown due to pandemic. How your company Ace Cars Experts is gearing up to take on the challenges?
Yeah, of course. It's a very tough phase for everybody. Automobile industry is not a different one. But yes, it can be said for an automobile industry is a blessing in disguise.
Yeah.
Basically, everybody will not transport in the public transport now. People are be preferring to take their own transport, having their own cars. So our pre-owned and new cars sales are going high, as well as the cars which we have funding on the car. So they are taking personal loan and mortgaging their car for your personal use.
Which are the growth areas you could see for your company?
Yeah, we are planning to have our own workshop with professional mechanical engineers who will be slowly responsible for having these breakdowns and refurbishes and etc.
You have been awarded so many awards and trophies from pan India and abroad.
Yeah.
Tell us something about these achievements.
Yeah, absolutely. It looks good. It feels fine when you have been rewarded and recognized. It gives you
Yeah.
absolutely a boost, and it shows that in the people in the industry also recognize you, your hard work and the effort. The best part is that the same time, it's absolutely a teamwork. It's not a personal solo thing, and
Yeah.
the most important thing, these awards and the rewards gives you more and more motivation, and also put responsible on your shoulders to go great heights.
What are your future projects?
Currently, we are functioning in three cities, having a branches in Mumbai, Pune, and Nasik. Mumbai being the main branch. So we are planning to explore more and more cities. We also plan by opening franchisee in various countries, so we can reach more and more customers, and overall to reach all over in India.
Where do you see yourself and your company 10 years from now?
Yeah, it's a very good question. We actually are looking our company to be listed, to be public. We want to go public limited. We want to list it on the stock exchange. because that the way we can make it public and we can explore more and more customers. Branding is which we are looking out for this coming year, because branding will be very important to reach the international level. So that is very much we are going to focus on.
Lastly, any message you would want to give for young and enthusiastic future entrepreneurs?
Yeah, my only message to young talent is that there is no shortcut to success. Yeah, you have to have your passion, you have to have your goal, you have to have your patience when you're working towards it. Because you have to prepare to face the new challenges which comes, and never ever quit. Absolutely, never ever quit. You should never quit something happens, because you should remember why did you started this first of all. And last not the least, but success is not a destination where you need to reach. Success is an ongoing process. It's an ongoing journey, and it should reach you never new dimensions and scales and new heights.
Okay, that was a lovely interview, Mr. Sylvester Rodrigues.
Thank you.
Hope your business grows further in coming years. Thank you very much for spending your precious time for this interview.
Thank you, Anchit. I was obliged to have this. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you.